This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Good afternoon. Today we are at Tropical Island. We're gonna check it out, go swimming or whatever. Yeah, it is freaking hot outside, but whatever. Maybe this is a good day to go swimming here. It is freaking huge. When I turned in here, drove in here, I thought I saw a mountain, but it's actually not a mountain. This is, there you go, wide angle. Tropical Island is Europe's biggest indoor, I don't know what they call it, but whatever. So I'm going to show you here. So yeah, prior to coming here, we did drive slow because the kid needed to sleep. So normally it would take around half an hour, but we actually drove, drove 1 hour and 40 minutes, 96 kilometers roughly. And then the consumption was quite low. Yeah, it doesn't show the consumption like that, but it was around 160 watt hour per kilometer only. Wow, impressive when you drive slow, but it was quite lonesome. I don't get this. Why doesn't it work when you swipe? Maybe wife need to swipe it. You see, she has problems swiping too. Huh? Swipe sideways. There it works. You see? It's not only me. It's just something about, no, you're not supposed to swipe. Okay, whatever. I keep miss-swiping. But okay, anyway, we're gonna get ready now and then get inside the blimp. Oh, I gotta say, the Germans have started using electro-autos now. See, we have ID7 here. There's a Ford Mach-E over there. And also here, another Mach-E. And then we have Skoda Enyaq. Huh? So yeah, the ID4 over there. So since I don't know, 5 years ago, I noticed that there are more and more EVs now. But man, look at this, impressive. It's so big. Let's see, how was the history again? It was used to it's like a hangar, right, for Zeppelin, and then they was it like that? Need to read up the story again. But then they didn't use it for that purpose, so now they rebuild it into Tropical Island. So I think we are in the wrong, in low season now in July, because you're supposed to come here in December, right, when it's dark and cold outside. But then inside there is always nice and moist, 25, 28 degrees Celsius. Okay, so now we're just waiting for wifey to breastfeed Axel, and then we get ready. Well, we are inside Tropical Island. This is an experience. It's just so weird to be here. Well, nobody wears shirts. Yeah. So we're just having some lunch now before we go on any swim activities. But yeah, it's hot here, probably around 28 degrees Celsius and moist all year round. So I mean, it is some experience indeed. So we just went for something simple, currywurst with some salad, just to fill in the stomach a little bit. We don't want to eat too heavy before we hit the water. And then Isabel got some caprisone and some watermelon. Wassermelone. Oh, this place is awesome. See, this is the main swimming area. It's not that deep, probably around 1.5, 1.6 meter deep, the water. There are some slides over there, some queues though, maybe a 5-minute queuing. Well, you see that the sun will shine in here with some blocking, but you can also get a tan here. So, man, it's so weird to be in here, and it feels like you are in Pattaya or Phuket. And of course, you can also stay in here, just like in Legoland. You know, there are rooms right here, so it feels like you are in, I don't know, Thailand. Yeah, there's Thai style over there. These rooms are freaking expensive. I mean, just the day ticket for us is 2 people, 107 euros. The kids, the kinder, they are below 4 years old, so they actually come in for free. That's good. Next year though, but okay. So there are rooms there, but you can also sleep in tent. But man, I can imagine, no air conditioning, tent, 28 degrees Celsius, moist. But I mean, it's something, yeah. Where the wife go now? I see other guys, they wear proper swimming suits. right, hands, right? But I'm probably the only one who has the tiniest feet ever. No? Axel had fun playing in the water. Now he's like, oh shit, that's so much fun. I need to pass out. Isabel is still awake though. Well, there's the balloon ride. It cost 49, or roughly almost 50 euros. And then also for additional passenger kids. So it's a very expensive experience. But actually down there, below, beneath, there is actually a dude. And he's strapped to the balloon. So he would just walk around the dome, and then you just enjoy the view. Yeah, there they come, there they come. Wait, there, I can see them. So, yeah, you can get a little tour around the dome here. I'm not sure if we want to do that or not. I feel like I would spend a lot of money on this trip. It's quite awesome. And when you're here, you get this tag. Well, I guess it's an RFID in here. And then this is used for locking or unlocking the locker. But also when you buy something, food, there is this reader. Oh, okay, you get this. Right, thank you, John. So then you just tap on this, and then they register it. And then before you go out, then you pay for it. So I wonder how much I have accumulated now. Probably 20-30 euros, right? Maybe more. Okay, it's past 6 now. I'm not sure what is that. I think water temperature 27 degrees Celsius. Air temperature 29.7. No wonder why it feels so hot here. And then moisture level 53.4%. Oh, yeah, I'm sweating. Lagoon, huh? That's probably some. Yeah, okay. This is the second swimming area, the lagoon. I think it's more suitable for kids. Isabel is down there. Axel is still asleep, so we pay attention to him also, having him close his eyes. Well, nice. The only thing is that nowadays in Jessheim it is 31 degrees Celsius. It's hot. We could just swimming on private pool instead. Well, whatever. It's still an experience to come over here. Come on, Isabel. Come on, selfie time. Video over. Come on, Isabel. Play in the water. Come on, come with Daddy. Well, we ended up with some buffet here. Well, it's a Thai restaurant, but they have pickles and pulled pork and sauerkraut. Oh, yeah. Okay, Isabel loves tortillas. Yeah, just go. Yeah. Here you go. Varsågod. Isabel. I'll make sure to bring all of them. No. Alles gut. Yeah, she eats bananas. Oh, yeah. Man, I love sauerkraut. And also pickles. And that's some good. We are qualified to be a real German. Okay, more sauerkraut, more swine, and then more pickles. I'm not sure which round this is, 3 or 4. We're done eating, it's 9:35 now. And you know, if you stay here, I guess they need to leave by 10. So we better get going soon, but if you stay over here, you can go swimming until midnight, then they close the pool. Looking crazy, man. Okay, now you're gonna exit, but we need to pay. How much did we spend? Okay, let's see. 155 euros. Here we go. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Currywurst? What? Really? 10 euros for currywurst? Shit. Seems like stuff in here is expensive. Well, at least it is an experience, right? We are out now, and man, it's nice and chill outside. Inside is just a little bit too hot. So, you know, I think here, I mean, it's an experience, But I think a day trip, a day trip here would be enough because there's not that much to do here. So after 2 days, I would start to get bored here. It's just mostly just swimming, you know. Okay, I have to pay for the parking and then off we go. Oh, it's 10 in the evening now. Isabel is about to knock out. Axel, on the other hand, he already had nap, the second nap for today, while we were in here swimming, so he's good. Well, okay, it's late, but I mean, it's just an experience. Let's find the auto. Oh, look at the nice sunset. Okay, so then, whoa, it's big. It's freaking huge, yeah. Tropical island. Bye bye. It was fun though. It's fun. At least we tried it, you know. We would regret if we didn't try it.